What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a huge lineup of brand new Blender add-ons. So if you're someone that's always hunting for tools to improve your workflow, speed up your projects, or just make your renders look way more professional without struggling for hours, then this video is exactly for you. Before we dive in, let's talk about Blender Kit first, because if you are looking for complete realistic scenes or assets that you want to use for your VFX shots or simulations, then take a look at Blender Kit. They are offering over 25% off on Pro yearly plan. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you will get additional 10% discount on Pro, which will give you access to over 125,000 Blender assets collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. Offer is ending soon, so get before it ends. First on the list is Light Textures Pro by NodeWorks. It is a fast and elegant add-on plus asset pack for importing cinematic light textures into your Blender scene. Add realistic dispersion, caustics, flashlight effects, and reflected light patterns in seconds. Then adjust everything however you like. Realistic light textures instantly enrich the mood, realism, and visual depth of your image. Whether you are building a cinematic frame, an atmospheric interior, or a stylized hero shot, Light Textures Pro helps you enhance lighting without breaking your workflow. There is also Gobos Master add-on, with 198 plus high-quality gobos spread across 13 categories including trees, fences, rain, windows, street elements, leaves, procedural, and more. You get animated gobos, static gobos, looping shadow effects with multi-layer gobo stacking system. This means you can layer multiple gobo effects and control them independently, giving your lighting insane depth and realism. And the best part? It's currently at 40% off. And the creator is also working on version 3, which will include a lot more features that you will love. Next we have Light Director 2.0. It is a procedural, non-destructive lighting system for Blender that instantly saves and restores the state of every light and HDRI setup in your scene, letting you capture your perfect lighting at any moment in time and jump back to that setup with a single click. This means you never have to be afraid to change your lighting again. Whether you are making subtle tweaks to create different versions or completely reworking the mood, you can save every iteration as a unique setup. It gives you the freedom to experiment without ever breaking what you've already built, which actually saves a lot of time and increases productivity. Moving on, we have Blender MPM Solver. Lets you create sand, snow, mud, and soft material effects in Blender with an external MPM workflow, live cache import, granular rendering, surface reconstruction, and alembic baking. It is built for artists and technical users who want a more advanced simulation pipeline directly from Blender. Instead of juggling scene prep, exports, caches, and render conversion manually, this add-on keeps the workflow organized from one place. Next up, Camera Tracker has been updated to version 5, and this version is completely rewritten for Blender 5.0 and 5.1, which also makes it up to 5x faster for long shots, along with proper CUDA, 10 to 100 faster inversion, and a new tripod solver for shots without parallax. If you already own Camera Tracker add-on, you can download version 5 for free. Further, we have Procedural Clouds. This add-on makes it easy to add realistic cloud formations to scenes without complex setups. It includes over 60 presets such as cirrus, cumulus, stratus, smoke, and haze, plus ready-made sky setups for quick results. Built with geometry nodes, clouds are highly adjustable. Size, density, height, shape, and noise can all be customized. You can also create custom formations from templates, use a fast preview mode for performance, and apply built-in wind animation for natural cloud movement. Next is Pro Pyro by CG Flow. Pro Pyro, it is a GPU-powered volumetric fire and smoke simulation add-on for Blender. Simulate swirling fire, rolling smoke, explosive fireballs, and stylized gas effects, all driven by a real fluid physics engine running entirely on your GPU. with an intuitive, artist-friendly UI in the end panel. The folks at CG Flow also have other amazing add-ons, such as ProGraph for motion designers, Pro Particles, and so on. The next one is my favorite, the Snapshot Addon. This add-on is a game changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots lets you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, Snapshots completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. When working with heavy scenes, performance often takes a hit. That's where Sceneboost comes in. This tool automates the process of creating proxies and LODs, levels of detail. Essentially, it builds low-resolution versions of your meshes and textures and dynamically swaps them based on your workflow. So while you're navigating the viewport, you see lightweight assets, but when it's time to render, the full-quality versions are loaded automatically. You can configure exactly what gets optimized, meshes, textures, or both, and even exclude certain elements to retain full control. It can significantly improve your workflow and allows you to realize projects that weren't possible before due to hardware limitations. VicCube also have add-on for quick hair simulation and aged effects for making your scenes look abandoned. Moving on, Solidify Plus builds upon Blender's standard Solidify modifier with additional controls. After installation, it appears directly in the modifier list and provides improved handling of sharp edges and surface thickness. The newest update enhances normal calculations to produce cleaner shading. It also introduces Strip UV functionality, which is especially useful for materials that require separate textures on side surfaces like plywood or layered materials. Precision margin controls help when adding thickness to thin surfaces such as fabric or shells. After installing many add-ons, your end panel can quickly become cluttered. To handle this, there is a powerful add-on called End Panel Subtabs. It helps keep the end panel organized. This tool allows you to create custom tabs, assign add-ons to specific tabs, and collapse or hide sections you don't use often. Once installed, you can immediately begin creating tabs, naming them to match your workflow. For example, placing modeling tools in one tab and rendering tools in another. This makes it much easier to find the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also leave certain add-ons unmanaged if you rarely use them, but still want to keep them installed. In addition, the add-on includes update management, letting you check for and download the newest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone handling different types of projects or regularly switching between workflows, the End Panel Manager is an excellent way to personalize and streamline Blender's interface. And that's a wrap. If any of these add-ons caught your eye, you can find all the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.